Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make chocolate mousse easy. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients: good quality dark chocolate, heavy cream, and fresh eggs. Having everything at room temperature is key for a smooth blend. Get your bowls and whisk ready, because we're about to create a delightful dessert that's surprisingly simple to master. Let's dive right in and make some magic. Next, we'll gently melt our dark chocolate. A double boiler works perfectly to prevent burning. While that's melting, separate your eggs, keeping the yolks for later. Then, in a separate bowl, whip your heavy cream until it forms beautiful soft peaks. This airy cream is crucial for the mousse's light texture. Don't overwhip. Just soft peaks are ideal. We're building the foundation for our delicious dessert. Hey everyone, if you're finding these tips helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. Quick recommendation: after all that delicious mousse, you might need a little help with cleanup. Upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's pet-friendly, has voice control, and even self-empties. Check the description for the link and other amazing deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Now for the magic. Carefully fold the egg yolks into your slightly cooled melted chocolate. This creates a rich base. Then, in two gentle additions, fold in your whipped cream. Be delicate to maintain that airy texture. Once combined, spoon your mousse into serving dishes. Pop them into the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, or even better, overnight. Patience is a virtue for perfect mousse.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.